In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose between Trello and Monday.com for your workflow. If you're trying to decide which project management tool is the better fit, the best place to start is by looking at how simple or advanced your workflow really is. This matters because not every team needs the same level of structure. Some people just want a clean, visual way to move tasks from one stage to another, while others need more detailed tracking, reporting, and automation. Being honest about your day-to-day needs will make this choice much easier. If your process is fairly simple, Trello is often the better option. Trello is especially useful if all you need is a straightforward Kanban board where you can create task cards and drag them across columns as work progresses. It's easy to understand, quick to set up, and very beginner friendly. For individuals or small teams who want a lightweight system without too many extra features, Trello can feel much less overwhelming. On the other hand, Monday.com is usually the better choice if your work requires more flexibility and more advanced tools. If you need multiple ways to view your projects, such as timelines, calendars, or different board layouts, Monday.com gives you more options. It's also stronger when it comes to automations and dashboards, which can be helpful if you want to reduce repetitive work or get a clearer overview of team progress. As you compare the two, pay close attention to how task cards work, how statuses are tracked, and how collaboration happens inside each platform. Look at whether it's easy to assign tasks, leave updates, attach files, and see what stage a project is in. These small details have a big impact on how smooth your workflow feels once your team starts using the tool every day. You should also check pricing and team limits before making a final decision. A platform might look perfect at first, but the cost can increase depending on how many users you need or which features are locked behind higher plans. Make sure the tool fits not only your workflow, but also your budget. Before committing, try both tools with a small project. This is one of the best ways to see how each platform feels in practice. Use the same type of project in both so the comparison is fair, and pay attention to which one feels more intuitive. In the end, choose the one that feels easier for beginners. Even if a tool has powerful features, it won't help much if it's too complicated to use consistently. The best choice is the one your team can understand quickly and use with confidence.